Okay, we finished rounding this out, taking it in here, went down about 3/4 of an inch till we get the right depth that we want. Now we'll take our eye here and we'll check it. We should be in good shape. Now we get, yeah, that looks good. We got the eye where we want it. Check the other side. And we got just enough white showing where we want it, so the holes for our eyes are in good shape. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So we'll set these aside for now. So next we can work on lining out these eyelids here. We'll slip the back on since we're going to put it in the vise. You want to make sure you keep your back on when you have it in the vise this way, so you don't split your head. I'm going to use this little cutting tool here, and we'll use this to line out the eyes, or the eyelids. See, we got this lined out, so we want to smooth this down, give it a little bit of a round taper to it. So we'll work on that, then we'll be back with the next step. Thanks for watching.